Cabinet has accessed the exclusive dossier. The 25 MPs who are spearheading the Operation Sindoor global outreach are not just carrying passports, they are armed with classified dossier. Sources tell Times Now that the file runs 8 to 10 chapters deep, packed with evidence as well as intel, and it covers everything from Pakistan's deep terror network to a detailed chronology of attacks, including the recent Pahalgam attack. All the details on Operation Sindoor and Pakistan's duplicity on Indus waters as well, Pragya. So the details show very clearly that the MPs are not just going with a message, but they're going to have evidence in hand as well. Files which will contain not just chronology, Pakistan's duplicity, and all the details of Operation Sindoor with evidence that India's message will be taken to the world.
Absolutely, and they have been briefed and debriefed time and again, and with assertion they will be putting across India's perspective and also with substance, the facts and figures, how terror has been inflicted on India by Pakistan, and not just Pakistan, terrorists coming from Pakistan, but also the government and military was also in touch with them, in collusion with them. All of that is going to be put across. We are given to understand the dossier that they have got is 8 to 10 chapters in it, and it has all the details of what went, what went in Pahalgam, what actually took place, and why India, launched Operation Sindoor. Not just that, Indus Water Treaty in abeyance, why, what was the need, the history of it, why it was not fair to India, yet India gave not just the money but also water to Pakistan and ensured that it will also flourish. Pakistan's Punjab region will also flourish. However, the treaty was not in favor of India, and there had been time and again demand by the India to revisit these conditions of the treaty, to which Pakistan never agreed. So all of that, the history, the present, and also the action that will be now taken by the India, and also the policy change that we had seen during Operation Sindoor, this will also be briefed. This is also part of that dossier as well. Not just that, there has been a chronology of the terror incident that have been inflicted on India by Pakistan, and what India did and reached out to Pakistan time and again, and it has been backstepped by Pakistan time and again. There are also, some dealing with the Pakistan terror incident, how we did it in the past and how we are going to deal in future.
Yes.
All of that is part of the dossier, and they, the MPs, they are very selectively chosen. These are not just the MPs across party lines, but these are former diplomats also, former Minister of State from MEA also are part of these delegations.
So very carefully picked by the government to give India's message to the world.